Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. And in this video I will show you how to get B2B leads on LinkedIn with paid ads with a small budget. So that's the main topic today. And first of all, normally, like here in Germany, the agencies for LinkedIn ads, they always recommend some budget like 3,000 euros per month at least to start. Actually, they want more because they say, okay, if you have a smaller budget, we can't really test things and we can't optimize the ads and it will not work for you. But in my opinion, the LinkedIn ads, they work with even a much smaller budget. So I tested this strategy with around 1,000 euros per month, but I think even with like 500 euros per month, you can get some good results. And now I'm going to show you how you have to set up the ads if you have this small budget for LinkedIn ads. Now, normally, like the suggestion is, if you have a good budget, you can make a funnel like this. And first of all, you do like awareness ads. Then like a lead magnet, something like this, and then you make like a call. Something like this normally the funnel looks like, because first you have to warm up the people here, and then you have to even warm up them more till you can get them on a call. So that is the main theory behind it. But if you have a small budget, you can't build a funnel because it's like it will not work with a small budget. So what you do instead is you don't build a funnel. You just directly get the leads to book a demo call or book a call or to download something. I would recommend you to do the download, because it's super hard actually to get the people directly on a call if they never heard before from your company. They see you the first time, you will not get them into a call. I, like for the test, I even got some people who just booked a call directly. But normally it's better to get them, give them a download, a PDF or something like this. And then they will give you the contact data, and then in the next step you can contact them and provide them with content or invite them for a call or something like this. So this should be the call to action here. Now, how do you do the ads? The most important thing is that you get some results here, is that you have a very clear persona, ICP, buyer persona, whatever, how you call it. So you know exactly what, how the people look like that buy your product. And now you will create ads that speak very specific. So this is the most important part. They have to be so specific. You in the ads, like an ad is consists of like text plus picture or video, whatever. But in this ad, you have to mention the sector where your target group is working in. You have to mention the job title, at least kind of the field, and you have to mention the pain points, at least these 3 things. But there are much more, so the more you have, the better. So you have to mention in the ad the sector, the job title, the pain points, everything like this. So the person that sees this ad, like, you speak directly to them. You understand, you know their sector, you know their job title, you understand the pain points the person have. So like if the person sees your ad, they can't refuse to click on it because it's so specific and individual to their problem and to their person. And now I have a special gift at the end. What you should do in the ads. You have to also pick the awareness. And how do you do that on LinkedIn? Because all the ads on LinkedIn are quite boring and are like corporate ads that don't get any awareness. So you have to use something like memes. You have to use something like statistics, for example. Or like, just something special. Something, for example, what I use is the finger ad. Very good. Where you have like a creative or like a statistic or a meme or something you want to show. And then you just make a photo where you point on this at your computer screen with your finger. So on the picture, you see the finger pointing on a computer screen, and on this, there is like a statistic or a meme or just some text. And this works quite well because it's something unfamiliar, and the people they want to know what is it all about. So the important part is to do something special here. And that actually is what this strategy is all about. Let me know when you tested it if it worked for you. Let me know your results, and see you in the next video.